is going on, everybody? We're picking this video up here at Texas Motorplex for Street Car Takeover. Just got here, just went through tech and did all that. So they're gonna do driver's meeting in about 20 minutes and then first round qualifying about 30 minutes after that, or probably an hour. So there's 2 rounds qualifying and then first round eliminations shortly after that. And let's be honest, I'm probably gonna get eliminated in the first round because there's a lot of high horsepower cars here. So I know they break it up dependent on classes, but I'm not expecting much. I'm not expected to, you know, go past the first round, but it is what it is. I'm just here for the experience and the fun and test out these these new tires I have. Hopefully, I haven't had the chance to see what these things can handle, but should be good. So we're gonna get set and do first round qualifying here shortly. I want to do a quick walk around and see what's here. You got that ZR1, who's definitely not going to be in the same class as me, but I want to see this other Gen 3 over here. There's a lot of high-end stuff here, so a lot of good stiff competition. So there's this right here. All right, so he's... All right. Looks like basically maybe stock with a JLT colder intake and some ET Street R's in the rear. Doesn't look like he has nitrous or anything like that. Obviously he's not boosted. So, all right. He's not the only one. All right, so I just talked to the owner. The Gen 3 is actually not racing. He's just here for the event, but another ZR1 Viper.
7 minutes.
See what my trap speed was.
Congratulations.
All right, thank you. All right, 124.1. So I mean that's not too shabby. I kind of babied it off the start a little bit because I wasn't quite sure how these tires were gonna grip. I guess I'll hit it a little bit harder next time. I just wasn't quite sure. So that was first round. We got another round of qualifying. All right, so we're about to do the third round of qualifying. It was originally supposed to be 2 rounds, but now they decided to add a third round of qualifying. So this is my third round of qualifying, and then the eliminations will start sometime hopefully soon after that. Shit, that was close. Damn, that was good. that was close. Damn, that was good. I don't know if the trap speed was faster, but I think I was like just barely ahead of on that one.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh yeah. So trap speed was a little bit slower, but I was ahead, so that's awesome. All right, that's third round qualifying, so now elimination starts hopefully shortly after this. That last run was so close. It was awesome. He got me by like, trap speed was 2 miles an hour faster, but I got him by like that much. So qualifying rounds are over. I have about a half hour until elimination start. There's 3 classes. I forgot what they call them, but I might have a decent shot at the street class or the daily. It's the slow class, so I might have a decent shot at that. So we will see. So that's gonna come up probably, like I said, I don't know, half hour or so. I want to say maybe, but I think this is the car that I just ran.
And what are you doing?
He's got the boost. I'm pretty sure this is the same car.
What's this car?
All right, so I'm here with Gary. Gary here has the car that the third qualifying run I just did that was like neck and neck. So we went over to the board to see what class we're in, obviously the slow class, but we didn't even see our names on the list. Not just the 2 of us, there's probably 5 or 6 others, probably, right?
At least.
And it's because they cut the qualifying speed to like 127. And our best was like 124, 123. So apparently, instead of putting everybody on the list or making a 4th list, Street Car Takeover, if you guys are watching this, a lot of us said you should probably have a 4th class, but you know, it's whatever. We're still allowed to compete in the eliminations, but we're competing against cars from like 127 to like, how high?
148 breakout?
140. There's no chance. So if that's the case, unless you and I can go heads up against each other.
Yeah.
And then I think after the first round, they draw chips, I think. I don't know. So at least one of us.
144 breakout.
Yeah, at least one of us, if we go head to head against each other the first time, at least one of us will make it to round 2. So just, we didn't say our names on the list. And we're like, what the fuck? But we at least still get to go on, but we're competing against cars that are much faster. So it is what it is. All right, so we just did chip draw.
Be safe, brother.
Yep, same to you. We did chip draw. I'm going up against Evo. He's trapping faster, and he just turned up his boost, so I'm probably going to get beat first round, but it is what it is. So we're going up after these 2 cars go. So what happened with that one, I put it in sport mode, and I forgot that I put it in sport mode, and you need to shift it out of sport mode to put it in drive, to have it shift by itself. And well, I forgot I had it in sport mode, so that's what happened. So, ready to go home?
Yay!
Sweaty. So.
Okay, Russ. You're going with Dad, right?
All right with me?
Yeah.
All right.
Get him down.
There you go.
Give me
Come on.
down.
Come on.
Okay, watch out, Bubba. I don't want to get your hand. We're leaving. Stay out of it.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Beagles.
Bye, Tim.
All right, so I'm picking this here up the next day. I didn't have the chance to close everything out because it was dark. Everyone was tired and wanting to get home, so I figured I would just close this out the next morning. So I just want to just give my overall thoughts about the whole experience at Street Car Takeover. I had a blast. It was a ton of fun. A lot of it was because the tires I got were fantastic. So if anybody is looking for a great tire that you could drive every day, it can handle in the rain, it can also get traction at the track. Roll racing especially, I haven't done a dig, but I don't think that's going to be a problem now with these tires. Zero issues whatsoever. So they're the Firehawk Indy 500s. I got the 275 40 19s. I was able to throw those here on the factory tires. So no complaints there. So in regards to the event, great time, as I said, tons of fun, definitely going back again next year. But there was multiple people who ran, some a little bit quicker than me in regards to trap speed, and then also quite a bit that ran slower, that after they looked at all the names posted for the eliminations, there was a massive portion of cars that didn't even show up for eliminations because they didn't see their name on the board. Now, they did specify that even though your name isn't on there, because I was one of them, I think my trap speed was 3 miles an hour slower than the name on the list. I mean, you paid to go to the event. As long as you had at least one qualifying run, you can participate in the eliminations. I had 3. I was good to go, but my point was there was quite a bit quite a bit of people that did not see their name, so therefore they just thought they didn't qualify for eliminations. I think there should have been a 4th class, and there was a handful of people, actually quite a bit of people I spoke to, that agreed they should have had a 4th class, like a just-in-case class, because obviously a handful of cars weren't making passes 127 on up. It was at 127 to 143 or somewhere around there for the street class. There should have been a 127 and under class also as well, which as my car sits now, I had traction control on, by the way. I could have possibly trapped higher speed if I turned it off, but I just wanted to see how the tires handled. If I went further into the eliminations, I would have turned all that stuff off. But it was my first time with these tires. That's why I did it that way. But again, I think they should have had a 4th class. Let me know what you guys think. That's just my opinion and the opinion of others that went to the event. Regardless, it was still a lot of fun. Definitely going back again next year. But if you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor. I appreciate it. Hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.